If you're planning to visit PortAventura and Ferrariland, you are in the right place. I'm going to share with you tips and tricks on how to arrange the accommodation, the flight, what to do, how many days you should stay. So keep watching. So PortAventura, the main theme park in Spain, is close to Reus Airport, which is well served from UK with direct flights. Both from Ryanair and Jet2. Alternatively, you can fly to Barcelona Airport. In both cases, there is a coach service which is called Plana, which picks you up in the airport and drops you off at the park entrance or at the park hotel area. So my suggestion, go for the coach. Don't even bother about looking trains or other solutions. It's just straightforward, super simple. You can book the tickets online or you can buy them with a debit card in the airport. How many days should you stay in PortAventura? My suggestion is at least 2. Reason being, the park is open until late. In my case, was until 11 p.m. There is an amazing closing show that you don't want to miss. And there is Ferrariland, which you need to be there before the opening hour in order to avoid never-ending queues. We're talking about up to 3 hours for Red Force. So my plan would be, go to PortAventura, you spend the first day in PortAventura, you enjoy the show, you sleep in a hotel there, and then the day after you start with Ferrariland first thing in the morning, and then you spend the rest of the day in PortAventura. In terms of accommodation, my suggestion is to use the hotel of the theme park. Reason being, PortAventura it's in a holiday destination. It's an holiday destination, the city itself. So the accommodation out of the park can be quite expensive. On the other hand, and the pros of a hotel in the park is that first thing, they come as a package, including already the entrance for the park, which is 1 day in Ferrariland and the number of nights plus 1 for PortAventura. The other thing is that sleeping in the park allows you to enjoy the park until closing time, enjoy the show, and you are there already. Also, after dinner time, let's say, the queues tend to be shorter, so you're gonna make the most out of it sleeping in the park. In terms of which hotel, it's plenty of them, but my suggestion is check which hotel is offering also the deluxe room. So all the hotels are offering standard room and some of them are offering deluxe room. As a standard, you get the room only and the entrance for the park. You need to pay on top breakfast, potentially dinner and all that. While on the deluxe room, it comes as bed and breakfast, so breakfast is included, it's got all the entry tickets and is giving you free of charge one express ticket, which is a fast track for the 10 main attractions that you can use once in every single attraction over 2 days. So say that the deluxe package might come cheaper because the express it's €50 per person on its own. Another important tip is that PortAventura is selling the package, the hotel package, on their official website, but they also sell it on Booking, on Expedia, and different portals. For unknown reasons, on the portals they are usually much cheaper than the official website. So do a bit of research, do a bit of benchmark, and be aware that you might find it much cheaper somewhere else, which makes no sense, but it is what it is. So to recap, to wrap it up, you can fly to Reus from UK or Barcelona, use the Plana coach, stay there at least 2 days, 1 day in PortAventura, second day you start with Ferrariland and then you spend the rest of the day in PortAventura. My suggestion is go for the hotel in the park and check out the deluxe package because it comes with the express ticket included, free of charge. Enjoy your time in PortAventura, and if you like the video, please subscribe.